Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning like detection of face using Python, eyes blinking using Python, age detection using Python, facial expression, emotion using Python, deface introduction using Python, fear library introduction using Python, and many more videos on Python. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. We are going to see how to load a photograph, load the model, perform face detection, and print a list of each face detected. So first of all, let us go through the Python file. First four statements are face detection with MTCNN on the photograph. These are the required libraries which needs to be loaded. Matplotlib is display the image in coordinate format, x and y coordinate. Then method draw image with boxes, parameter file name and result list. Then next statement, data is equal to pyplot file name. This function is used for up to this mark, draw image with detected object. Then file name, load the image from the file. Then pixel is equal to pyplot.imread, in the sense load the image. Then detector is equal to MTCNN, create the detector. Then next statement, faces is equal to detector.detect face pixel, display the faces on original image. And at the last, method calling file name faces. File name is the saurabh.jpg is the image. Now I will execute the program. Yes, I have successfully done with photograph load the model, perform face detection, this is face detection, and print a list of each face detected, mouth, nose, eyes and face. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.